Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes easy to start page numbering from a specific page in Microsoft Word. Start the page 1 from page 6. Cursor is 6 page beginning. Click Page Layout, click Breaks, click Next Page. Double-click Page Number. Click Link to Previous. Click Page Number, click Format Page Numbers. Type page number 1. Page number is changed. Double-click and select previous page number, simply press the delete key. Click Close Header and Footer. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.